Let's do a quick review of how to change mixed numbers into improper fractions and improper fractions into mixed numbers. So first, what is a mixed number? A mixed number is quite literally a mixed number. So it's a mix of a whole number and a fraction. An improper fraction is a fraction in which the numerator is bigger than the denominator. So 2.5 is a mixed number, and we want to change it to an improper fraction. So I'm going to take the denominator, and I'm going to multiply it by the whole number. So 2 times 2 is 4, and I'm just going to keep that number in my mind. So 2 times 2 is 4. Then I'm going to take the 4 and add the numerator. So 4 plus 1 is 5, and the denominator stays the same. So again, what I did was take denominator times whole number plus the numerator, and that is what goes in the new numerator. And now this number is an improper fraction, where the numerator is bigger than the denominator. Now let's look at how to change an improper fraction into a mixed number. So we're basically going to do this but opposite. So 5 is my denominator. That is going to stay the same. And what we'll do now is take the 5 and see how many times it can go into 13. So notice up here, we did multiplication, 2 times 2, denominator times whole number. Now we're doing division. We're taking the denominator and putting it into the numerator. So how many times can 5 go into 13? Well, 5 times 2 is equal to 10. 5 times 3 is equal to 15. So 5 fits into 13 twice because it can't go in 3 times. So 2 is the number I'm going to put outside. That is the whole number. There are 2 whole sets of 5 in 13. Okay, so now 5 times 2 is 10, and that is the number that I'm going to now subtract from 13. Up here we did adding, here we're going to do subtraction. So 5 times 2 is 10. 13 minus 10 is 3. So for this one, to change an improper fraction into a mixed number, we divide the denominator and the numerator. And then we put the leftovers in the numerator. So again, one more time, we took the 5 and figured out that it goes twice into 13. There are 2 whole sets of 5 in 13, which makes 10. So 2 whole goes there as the whole number. And then those 10 are taken out of the 13 because we put them here as 2 whole sets of 5. And that means 13 minus 10, we have 3 left over.